Next thing we got put in is our water closet slash toilet. So I'm going to go to architecture and component, load family, and again I'm going to go to I think it's plumbing. Yeah, plumbing. Then architectural fixtures, and here we have water closets. That's where the toilet's found. And again, we have the 2D and 3D stuff. You There's a commercial toilet, and here's a regular domestic toilet. So we're going to hit open on that one. And again, it'll take a second to load, I think. Oh, no, didn't do it. So I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to scroll down and see if I find water closet. I don't. Here we go. Toilet domestic 3D. Click on that. And I'm going to bring that in, and the back of the toilet goes right up against the wall. And I'm going to click there, and I'll push escape just a couple times just to get it off the cursor. Now, the residential building code says that from the center of the toilet to the next fixture, there needs to be at least 18 inches. So I'm going to use the measure tool. If I use dimension, I could use dimension, but I have all the dimensions turned off. So I'm just going to use the measure tool, and if I just move across it, it will click on the center of the toilet, and then I'll pull it straight over to the thing on the left, and this says I am 1 foot 6 inches from the tub, which is good. I want that. That's my exact measurement. That's 18 inches. If I had to move it, I could just click on it and push the arrow keys a couple times to move it around. So right now, that is located where it's supposed to be, at least.